Y'all, if you love pizza like I do, just keep watching this video because it is going to blow you away. This pizza, my gluten-free sourdough pizza, is like nothing you have had in a long time. For me, it's been 13 years since I've had a gluten-filled pizza. And let me tell you, you would not know that this is not gluten-filled. It is my favorite style of pizza, which is like Neapolitan-ish. It's not going to be exact because I know there are rules for that, but this pizza reminds me of those Neapolitan style pizzas, and it is incredible, you guys. So let's get into it and I'll show you how to make it. All right, before we get into actually making the pizza, I just want to go over some of the equipment that I use. You don't have to get this exact same equipment, but it definitely helps. I use 2 pizza peels, or another name for them, pizza paddles, for anytime I'm making pizza. This one for sliding the pizza into the oven, and then this one for removing it from the oven. So this one is perforated and nonstick, and it works really well for starting the pizza. And what I love about it is at the end, before you put it in your oven, you can shake it just a little bit and all the extra flour will come off. So I'll leave a link for that. It's pretty cheap, but if you're serious about pizza making, totally worth it. So I'm going to start with my same day gluten-free sourdough dough. And I've made this before. I have a video for it. I'll leave a link above for that. But it's really simple to make. So you start out with 115 grams of an active sourdough starter, and then you make a psyllium gel with 350 grams of warm water, 17 grams of whole psyllium husks. The psyllium gel allows for the same day pizza. And then to this now we'll add our starter. That was 115 grams, along with 25 grams of olive oil, 17 grams of honey, 350 grams of my gluten-free bread flour blend, 7 grams of kosher salt, and 9 grams of baking powder. And then you just knead this with your stand mixer for 5 minutes on medium high, just like pretty much any of my other doughs. And then you just cover it and let it rise until doubled in size, and you can use it right away. No refrigeration necessary. You can, of course, refrigerate it if you'd like to, and it will last at least 7 days in the fridge. Now I'm grabbing a bench scraper and I'm going to cut this into 4 equally sized pieces if I can. I'm not very good at just eyeballing it, but they should be around 7 ounces each. Of course, you can make smaller or you can make larger. I would not go much larger than this because you might have a problem with the dough tearing and all of that. So I'll just shape this one into a round ball, just like I would do any of my rolls. You've seen plenty of videos of that where I pull it into the center and then pinch it and then flip it over and kind of roll it until it's a nice round taut ball. Now that I've got that, I'll press it down lightly and I'm gonna grab my rolling pin. I know a rolling pin is like taboo in the pizza making world, but trust me, it'll work. It actually works better than trying to hand press the dough out. I've tried it so many times both ways. We're dealing with gluten-free, so we have to do what we have to do to get it to where we want it. And if that means rolling it, so be it. I'm looking for about 10 inches or so. And it does kind of stretch a little bit once you've got it pretty much the size you want it. If you need to stretch it out a little further, I'll just put the rest of this away for now. You can do back-to-back pizzas, especially if you have a pizza oven, which I'll show you that in just a minute. I'm gonna lightly flour my pizza peel here. Shouldn't have done that over my pizza crust, but that's okay. And I'll just give it a shake just to make sure that it's not sticking anywhere. Perfect. I wouldn't recommend using this pizza peel for taking it out of the pizza oven or the regular oven because it is so slick, it will slide right off. I've almost dropped a few trying it that way, and that's why I decided to get the other pizza peel for removing them. Plus, if you do back to back to back, you can have one pizza peel making the pizzas and one retrieving them. So you can get kind of a process going. And now you just put whatever toppings you want on it. For this particular situation, I'm going real simple. I've got a no-cook pizza sauce here that I made. It was my 1-hour pizza dough pizza sauce. I'll leave a link for that. Very simple, no-cook sauce. If you want a cooked sauce, go for my copycat Pizza Hut pizza sauce. It's really great. It's thick and it's kind of rich and very good too. But in this case, I wanted to be extra super simple because I want to show you how easy it is to make really great gluten-free pizzas in no time. Like, this can be a weeknight thing. I've even got a bag of already shredded whole milk mozzarella here. Normally in my pizza making world, I would be getting a block of Galbani Italian style whole milk mozzarella and shredding it myself. But again, I wanted to go simple here because I want to show you how easy it is. I'm just making a cheese pizza right now. Just keeping it super simple, easy peasy. Do whatever pizza flavors you like. We're going to head out to my backyard where my pizza oven is preheating to 700 degrees Fahrenheit. I've already checked it with an infrared thermometer because I never trust the temperature gauges on any outdoor grills, ovens, whatever. This is my Blackstone pizza oven, you guys. It is so incredible. I love it so much. One of the things I love the most about it is, as you can see, it has a rotating stone on the bottom. There's also a stone on top, so it gets radiant heat from that as well. And I'm just sliding my pizza right on there. And I'm actually going to set a timer for 3 minutes. And in 3 minutes, you are going to see this pizza transform before your very eyes. It's a huge, huge stone, you guys. I can't remember the exact size of it. I'll leave a link for this Blackstone pizza oven. There are many other pizza ovens. I kind of did my research and I really found that the Blackstone was what I wanted to go with. And I think it has been one of the best purchases I've ever made. I know they are pricey, but like I said, if you're serious about making pizzas, you might want to invest in one. This isn't sponsored or anything by Blackstone. I do have a link and it'll be an affiliate link, but you can choose whatever pizza oven you want. I'm just telling you what I think about this one. I think it's great. And as you can see, it is really starting to puff up now. That just, to me, looks nothing like any gluten-free pizza you'll ever have. It looks just like a gluten-filled one, doesn't it? You'd almost think you're eating gluten. But if you don't have a pizza oven, if you don't feel like spending the money on one, no big deal. There is a way that you can set up your home oven to make pizzas that will be comparable to this one. Maybe not quite as puffy, but it's gonna still be a great tasting pizza. I've done it before with my New York style pizza crust and any other pizzas I've made until I got this pizza oven. Now all I want to do is use my pizza oven. But first you need to set either a pizza steel, pizza stone, or even an overturned baking sheet in your oven and set it for as high as it'll go. Slide it in there. It's going to take a lot longer, more like 7 to 8 minutes, but it'll be done. You can see it's puffed on the side. It still has a little bit of the leoparding on the bottom, and it's still a great pizza. But this one, y'all, there's no comparison, just my opinion. You'll still get a great pizza either way. And now I'm going to slide it out of there with my other pizza peel. Not the perforated one. Remember, that's the slippery one. Look at this, y'all. Look at how unbelievably great this looks. Could you imagine you could get a gluten-free pizza that looks anything like this? Well, you can, and you saw how easy it is. Let me cut through this and just show you the bottom for a minute. That is the leoparding that everybody talks about in like professional pizza making, and we've got it on our gluten-free pizza. I just cannot express to you how much I love this pizza. It is so good. I could eat it every single day. It's puffy on the outside. It's got the outside crunch, but then on the inside, it's still soft. Oh, it is heaven, you guys, just heaven. Let me grab my scissors though and show you how much air is built up in this crust. I mean, check this out. And we got this from rolling it with the rolling pin, y'all. I'm telling you, you have to make this pizza. It will change your life. Enjoy.